My life is constantly changing, but the one thing that remains constant is a bicycle. As a kid, bikes opened up my world, and today they're still doing the same thing. There's still something so liberating about just going out for a spin. In life, there's a lot of things that are out of your control, but whenever you hop on a bike, you're totally in control of what you're doing, and that can be very liberating. One of the things I like most about riding bikes is how simple it is. There's really nothing going on except you, the bike, and the road, or the trail, or the skate park. It's just such a simple way to disconnect from whatever you have going on. Fast and flowy has been my style ever since I started riding my BMX bike around concrete skate parks in Hawaii. That's something that really made me feel at home on a mountain bike, because that's kind of what you're doing. You're just going fast and being flowy through a trail. In order to be successful in mountain biking, you really have to stay in good shape physically, and that's been a really good gateway for me to a healthier lifestyle through eating well and staying on top of training and making sure I'm checking off all the boxes to be fast. When I'm looking at a trail, I may see something a little bit different than someone who's just mountain biked their whole life. A rock that's wedged a certain way may look like a kicker to me, when someone else it just looks like an obstacle. Bikes have given me so much, and just go for a ride, you never know what it can lead to.